go to Campo, and there's your humble bag. Street at the end of the water pit, walking those old streets of Macau. Streets of Macau.
Okay, this street right here is called Rua do Campo. Let me just give you some perspective of where we're at. So up that way is Lazarus Street, and then up this way kind of goes up into the hills, and there's a little bit of creativity in this one, some nice billboards and such like that. But we are going to go down Rua do Campo, which is going to be this street right here. We're going to go all the way down to a Catholic church, Catholic school. We'll show you, so stay tuned for that. Rua do Campo. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so here we are on Rua do Campo. So we're going to be walking down this one. We're going to try to give you some context of everything in this area. So let me, there's a lot of crowds in here. But for one, we have all the shoe shops. So we're going to start seeing shoes all the way down that way. It's kind of waiting for all the crowds to go by. This one goes up to the South January Hospital. There's like little hills. So we're going to take a look at that as well soon. And then this one goes north. Okay, so let's follow this. Okay. So you can start seeing some of the sporting shops to the right. Lots of shoe shops in this area. Then there's also, this one kind of goes up. So all of these will go have an upward trajectory, and they'll go, there's some pretty cool murals up here as well. So you'll see that theme. We're kind of in the low part of the Rua do Campo. I think Campo meant fields originally, the Portuguese word. Okay, so we're gonna show you more of that shortly. Then you also have this little overpass. So one thing you'll notice in this particular area is that it's impossible to cross the street. So the only way to cross it is to go over the overpass. I'll show you in a second. Kind of waiting for a lot of foot traffic and car traffic. So this one goes all the way up, and now you can see there's no way to cross. There's no crosswalks until you get quite a ways up there. Okay. Then this is a little auto street. So you can see this one goes up into the hills. Ultimately that will go up to Mount Fortress. And then the other one to the left will go towards Gia Hill. There's the street right there. Rua do Campo. Okay, so we are going to go across. We have a lot of people today. It's a Sunday. So this one, let me see, I can focus on this in a second. There is the Portuguese consulate right up there. That used to be a hospital, maybe 100 years ago. And then it turned into the consulate, Portuguese consulate. Ah, I can see like a boutique hostel up there. Okay, let's keep on going down. So we're going to be going towards something called Playa Grande. Playa Grande is where the big beach used to be until they reclaimed land. And I don't know how much that beach ever actually was. I think originally, hello. I think originally it was kind of a little bit muddy, I guess. Okay, let's continue down. Navigating the crowds a little bit today. We have a really beautiful historic yellow building that we're gonna take a look at in a second. This part of Macau was once kind of going outside of the city. Campo continues down that way, but let's try to capture that building and some of the other buildings too. So this one looks like that. It's kind of hard to capture. I have the setting where I can, if I capture the whole building, it'll like push hook it. Also some other interesting architecture right there too. Okay, we're going to continue onward. I'm going to try to capture that one more time. So you can capture it a little bit better. Now you can see the whole context of it better. Okay. Some crazy parking. Okay. So this is another overpass, so you could go across over here. This is pretty congested, crowded space right here, for sure. Gonna navigate this and move on down towards the Catholic. The Catholic building has changed. I'll show it to you soon. But yeah, this is Campo. Got a bus stop right here, and then you also have Angel Street. So Angel Street is going to be to the right in a moment. Okay, so that's one of the ones I was going to share. This one right here is a Catholic building. It was completely different the last time that I filmed here. So now it's has a different facade, different everything. We're going to walk over this way. This is Angel Street right here. Along with this Macau sign too. Okay. So we're going to navigate back. A lot of people today. So Campo keeps on going. Historically, Campo was kind of north of the Portuguese city where they settled at. And so the name kind of implies that that goes out towards the fields. So that probably that architectural beautiful building might have been once kind of on the outskirts, and that probably was able to get big parcel of land to build that big beautiful building like that. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And now it's the Portuguese. Let's see, we'll try to navigate it. Okay, so that's basically our street all the way down. I think I've actually filmed it where they've had some Catholic progressions in this area too, where people will have a parade for certain saints. So now we're going to follow this construction. This construction has been this way for a long time, in different incarnations for a while. So I can't wait until it's actually able to walk through this easily. So I think what we're going to do in a moment is we won't fully be able to see that Catholic one that we're underneath until we get over there. So we'll walk over there. And then this is Praia Grande right here. Got the black and white tiles. Oh, here we go. So we can go right now. So that's our street right there, Rua de Campo. And then we're gonna try to capture that now. So now you can see this whole Catholic building right here. So that's actually all relatively new, Centro Catolico. It wasn't like that before. So now they have some beautiful murals inside that you can actually have to go in and see. Let's go over here. This is this has a lot of history right here too, this building. That was the library. So yeah, that's the Catholic building right there. Give you some context. This is Praia Grande. So that's where the ocean used to be. There's even some military, what used to be a military club, that whole space in there. But anyways, that's Rua de Campo. And that's the kind of building that I wanted to film in this area as well. Okay. So I guess we're gonna come to an ending for that one. San Francisco Garden is right there. We'll just walk briefly into that. Yeah, San Francisco Garden goes up into that space and this space as well. There's an old cinema. And then this has, I think I've talked about this in other videos, but that's Rua de Campo. The giant glare, but you can see Central Catholic Hotel. So now it's a hotel, and then you can also see all these murals inside. So I don't know if that's open to the public to see those murals, but you can kind of see them through the glare a little bit. And that's Rua de Campo right there. Okay. So there we go. Slices of Macau right there. You can also see that little Catholic thing right along the way up there. Okay. So here we go. This will be the final one. So this one you can actually see all the way down. So we basically walk that whole thing. You can see, now you can see a beautiful view of that particular architecture. Now it looks really nice. And this is the other one that we went down. And then there's the Catholic church right there, so you can see it more clearly. You can see some of the glare is a little bit better, so you can see a little bit of the paintings perhaps. It will end the video right there.